Hi guys, today I am coming with you guys for an updated what I eat in a day video. If you guys did not know, I changed my diet. I do not do keto anymore. It's been a few months since I have stopped, but I have introduced healthy carbs into my diet now, and I wanted to show you guys kind of like what I eat to maintain my weight and to continue burning fat and creating muscle for myself. So I'm gonna show you guys breakfast, lunch, dinner, and maybe a few snacks in the way. I don't usually snack though. That's not really my thing. I kind of just stick to meals and that's it. But I wanted to take you guys along with me to show you that you can stop keto and continue losing weight and maintaining your weight without going back to how you used to be. And just overall a healthy diet for a normal person, because this has carbs, protein and fats, but all perfect and healthy, moderate meals. So I'm gonna take you along with me, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Okay, first thing in the morning is coffee for me, and here I am having a triple espresso cold brew coffee with almond milk already mixed inside, since I don't drink dairy. And I'm gonna make avocado toast this morning. And to start with the bread, I love Dave's Killer Bread. It's only 60 calories a slice, has 21 whole grains, and it's pretty healthy. It's low calorie, really great grains. And then I have a little bit of red chili pepper flakes on top of my avocado for some flavor and spice. And then I put the sunny side up egg right on top, and I season it with freshly ground black pepper and pink Himalayan salt. Alright, for lunch, I'm going to make some chicken fajita tacos. These are from Trader Joe's. They're already pre-made, super low calorie, have bell peppers and onions already mixed in, and you pop it in the microwave. It's under 200 calories per serving. And the tortilla bread I'm going to use is Sprouted Ezekiel tortilla bread. Super low calorie, 150 calories for entire tortilla bread. And here I'm just going to heat up the chicken fajitas in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So easy. I love Trader Joe's. It's always like the bombest meals already ready to go. And I'm going to slice up some avocado to put inside the taco. And a little bit of pineapple salsa too for the taste. It's going to be so good. I love pineapple salsa. I think it's so underrated. It's so delicious. I'm going to split the tortilla in half so I don't have two entire 150 calorie tortillas. Instead, I'll make one tortilla and split it in half. And I'll load up my tacos now with some chicken and the veggies. And then put a little bit of avocado on top. And a little bit of pineapple salsa too. This made it taste so good, guys. I really recommend it. And a little toothpick to keep everything together. This entire meal, you guys, was under 400 calories, and you can pair it with some healthy blue corn tortilla chips too if you like. Super low cal, super healthy, and delicious. For dinner, I love having salmon. I like to go to Whole Foods and get fresh Atlantic salmon from the market. It is unbelievable how soft and fresh it is, you guys. And I get it pre-marinated. I get the lemon herb marinade. So good. Really do recommend it. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I sprayed the pan with some olive oil and I placed the fillets on the pan. I usually get 2 fillets so I can have one for a leftover for the next day. And I pop it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. My sides, I'm going to do some steamed broccoli florets. So just pop it in the microwave for under a minute and it is steamed and ready to go. And also some orzo salad to pair with my fish. This I got from Whole Foods Market too. Alright, it is all done and ready, and so is my broccoli. And I just place it right on top of the orzo. Bon appetit! So quick, so easy, and so delicious, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment below if you have any other suggestions. Bye, guys.